Whoa. That was big. Did not see that coming. But right now I am here at a place, and there are really big waves, basically. There's a Category 1 hurricane offshore, and it is about 6:30 in the morning, and I'm tired. And you can see these waves just pounding the breakwater, and you can see way out there it's breaking. And zoom out. So yeah, these are some like big 20-foot waves, like that one. And those. And there's a lighthouse out there. So yeah, don't go swimming in these waters. You will die. Whoa. You can just see how big they're getting. Whoa, look at that one. That is like 30 feet. Oh my lord. And right now it's Sunday, August 23rd, 2009. Whoa. That poor breakwater is just getting broken. I am too funny. So these are some big waves. So yeah, all these clouds you see back into like right here. I can't really film the sky, but what you see here, all these clouds, that is hurricane belt. Right now we have the outer bands down here. Not really anything big, but you know what I mean. It's pretty big. Pretty big surf, I mean. Wow. It's getting pounded. Whoa. That is about 25 feet, something like that. That was a big wave. You can see when they're swarming right there. Whoa.